Hello YouTubers, I am Parviz, and in this video I want to show you that how you can do currency conversion in Python programming language using OpenExchangeRates library. So the first thing you need to create an account on OpenExchangeRates.org because you need to create an app ID and you need to get your API key. So I have already created an account, so the creation of account is easy. And after that you need to click on app IDs. So I've created an app ID and you can see this is my app ID I've already created. And after creation of your app ID you need to open the terminal and you need to install the OpenExchangeRates. So you can OpenExchangeRate, you can simply pip install OpenExchangeRate. So I have already installed this, and you will see that I am receiving requirement already satisfied. So you can install this like this. After that you need to open your PyCharm ID, and in the PyCharm ID you need to import the library that you have already installed. So from OpenExchangeRate import OpenExchangeRates. Now you need to create a client, so client OpenExchangeRates, and in here you need to write the API key. So my API key is, let me just copy this and paste it in here. So this is my API key. Now simple, now you can print, for example, the currencies that are available in OpenExchangeRate. So you can print client dot currencies. So let me run it. So now we can see that these are the currencies that we have: United Arab Emirates, IFN Afghani, AED, and this is from Arab Emirates, Dirham, and we have Albania and Netherlands, and these are the currencies that we have in here. Bahrain dinar. Now after this you need to for example print the latest conversions. So you can print client dot latest. Let me just comment this. So now let me run it. So now you can see that these are the latest conversion that we have in here. So like this you can create, I've created simple example, but you can make this extended, and if you see their website, they have good documentation for this. You can click on this and you can make it more better. So also I have created a free account, and I think I just when you create a free account you need to just create one app ID, but you can see in here it's telling that to create additional app IDs for your account, please upgrade to a higher subscription level. And now this is their documentation that you can learn a lot about this. So thank you guys. If you have any question, please let me know. I will add a source code to the video description. Please subscribe to my channel, like the video, and share the videos.